What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. This video is made for people that are 18 years old or older and vape at your own risk. Thank you. What's up guys, and welcome to Star Vape, and today we're gonna take a look at this Suorin Ishare kit. It's a pod system kit. It comes with two pod systems. Here they are. There's two colors, black and white, and you get this power bank to charge this up. You can't charge those separately. You need this one to charge it. It have magnetic connection, so it makes connection here, and it's very easy to pop it up. It comes with two cartridges, and the cartridge is sold separately. They sell about 3 cartridges, and the price on them is about $11.99. and I think if you buy this kit from Vapor DNA, and in the same site you can click on this save on replacement coils, and gonna cost about $4.99 I think for the 3 cartridges. So it's coming in a package as 3 cartridges. So this power bank is 1400 battery, this sticks is 113, so you're gonna get multiple charges for each one of these sticks. So the cool thing about this, it's you get 2 of these, so you can share with a friend or with anyone, or you can take both of them for yourself. I mean, it's really nice, and it's recommended for salt, nicotine juices, but you can use other juices as long as it's recommended for the 30 to 70 to 30 PG/VG ratio. And yeah, and this power bank charges both of them. And what I think about this, I would say it's one of the best pod devices I've used. I've used some, but this one I really like because it's very light and it's very small and it's very nice looking, and you can have it in your pocket and you don't need to worry about it. So this what comes with the Suorin Ishare. You can see here, this is the box with some warnings, and here you got even the color. There's a stick, it's white, so that's why you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. And there's what it package included. Let's open it up and see what you got inside. So firstly, fill instruction, warning, don't fill it just in the 2 minute. Some warnings on how to fill the cartridges. And here you got your power bank and charging cable. So this power bank is 1400 milliamp power. Charge cable for that power bank underneath. We got some paper here. I'm not gonna look into that. There's like user manuals, warnings, some other stuff. We got certificate codes and all that. We haven't looked to those, but here inside we just messed it up. Well, you get 2 sticks and 2 cartridges. So those stick is 130 milliamp power. So with this 1400 you get multiple charges for them. So let's take one out. So I mean, it's very light. I got the white one. This is the cartridge, and this is how you do put it in, and it clicks to place, and it looks awesome. So to fill it, you need to remove this mouthpiece. There's your connection. There's connection here, and there's magnetic connection to connect with this battery bank. So to fill it, you just remove, and you got a seal here. You remove that seal and fill it between the middle tube and there, and then you have just put your seal on. It's really easy, and put the mouthpiece on, and you get. So what's up guys, so my thoughts on this device. I mean, it's a very nice device, looks very cool, nice magnetics. I mean, you get 2 pods, as I said. You don't need to worry about the battery charge, and really nice that it have the magnetics. I mean, it looks cool. It's small, it's not heavy. You can have it in your pocket wherever you go, and you don't need to think about the charge. And it gets the job done. You know, it's a really cool device. If you pull here, you get the cartridge. That's how it looks like. It got like space, micro coil, and the cool thing, it doesn't need to sit on specific, you know, way, just which way you want, you know, just, and it pops just right in, and filling it is very easy. And in the package they have a card and says like you should change this this cartridge after 5 times you fill it. So yeah, I mean, it's really nice, gets the job done, looks very cool, and it's really nice, you know. The thing that I don't like with it is actually, I mean, I don't like this glossy finish. It's like this shiny finish, collect dust and things. But other than that, I don't have any cons for this. You know, everything about it is really good. You know, the size, it's light, the vapor production, and the battery, everything is nice, you know. So love this device. I'm gonna put the link down below if you want to check it out. I mean, really nice device, highly recommended. If you want a pod system, I think this one is one of the best out there. I will leave a link down in the description for you to check it out. And I didn't say the juice that I have in here, it's from Naked, it's from the salt line, it's the brain freeze. It's really nice. I mean, I love it. It's a 35 gram thing, 35 milligram. I mean, it's really nice device. Love it, just love it. Am I gonna use it? Am I gonna use this device? Yes, of course. I'm gonna use the device almost every day. It's gonna be my go device. Why? Because I can carry it. It's light. I can put it in my pocket. I can use it for a long time. I don't need to worry about the battery. I know you need to charge this, but if you charge this full, that's gonna last you more than 1 day. You're gonna get multiple charges on each of these sticks. Love those. Love the look. Love everything. Just the only con that I have with it, like I said, is the shiny color. Other than that, it's phenomenal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more, and click on that bell icon, the notification, so you get notified when I upload videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.